43 days to the moon. Welcome to the Crypto Light. In this video, you will find out what's Bakkt exchange, which companies are behind it, why it's so important to the crypto world, and finally, how will it take us to the moon. Now let's take a look on the Bakkt Bitcoin daily future contract specifications. One of the most important things we have to keep an eye here is that they keep all of the private keys in a warehouse. They custody. They will, unlike the other futures released at the end of 2017, the Bakkt futures, they have actual physical Bitcoin. So for every contract they will have one Bitcoin. Let's go over here to the official website of Bakkt, and then we'll find out what are the companies behind it. On the bottom right, you see a link, Fortune magazine website. We see over here the owners of Intercontinental Exchange. And then the title says, the New York Stock Exchange owner wants to bring Bitcoin to your 401k, your pensions. Are crypto credit cards next? Here are the companies behind Bakkt: Microsoft, Starbucks, and Intercontinental Exchange. Now, Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, it's also the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange, amongst many other exchanges throughout the world. He says to achieve their vision, ICE is partnering with heavyweights from the worlds of technology, consulting, and retail. Then we see the name of Microsoft, Boston Consulting Group, and Starbucks. ICE did not immediately disclose the total investment of the partners. And then you may see the name of the other partners here, and you can research. Why Bakkt is so important for the crypto world? Well, as we may see over here, they want to make it safe and easy choice for everyday investors. Notably, millennials getting their first 401k. Wall Street could then tap Bitcoin's popularity as an alternative to stocks and bonds to generate giant trading volumes. And that flood of institutional buying and selling in turn would take the terror out of Bitcoin by smoothing its wild swings in price. Further down over here, we see that the idea of Bakkt cracking the 401k and IRA or the pensions market for cryptocurrency would be a huge win for Bakkt. But the startup plans raise the prospect of an even more ambitious goal. What's this ambitious goal, huh? Using Bitcoin to streamline and disrupt the world of retail payments by moving consumers from swiping credit cards to scanning the Bitcoin apps. The market opportunity is gigantic. Consumers worldwide are paying lofty credit card or online shopping fees on $25 trillion a year in annual purchase. Now, let's look at this. Bakkt's founders tell Fortune that institutional investor campaign is the first of two phases. Now, they're not talking much about the second phase, but the presence of Starbucks and Microsoft strongly suggests that Bakkt will strive to revolutionize the way consumers pay at the mall and online. The coffee giant is already a leading player in encouraging customers to pay with the smartphones rather than the credit cards. And Microsoft, through its Azure cloud business, serves a huge base of retailers, handling back-office tasks from invoice process to e-commerce. Here comes the moonshot, guys. Here on quote, as the flagship retailer, Starbucks will play a pivotal role in developing practical, trusted, and regulated applications for consumers to convert their digital assets into US dollars for use in Starbucks, said Maria Smith, Vice President of Partnerships and Payment for Starbucks, in a press release. Here it is. First, what they want is have a different type of futures, Bitcoin futures. They will actually buy the Bitcoin and have it on a very, very secure place. They'll become a custody for all the institutional money. All these other companies, they want to invest now, they can invest because they won't have to worry about the private keys being stolen. Furthermore, the idea here is to go even further, to use Bitcoin as payment, and Starbucks and Microsoft coming with them shows a lot. That's why we're gonna have a moon. Also, Bakkt will help the SEC decide that ETFs can be done with cryptocurrency. So give the thumbs up, subscribe, tell me on the comments what else would like to see on the channel, and I'll try to bring you more information, more news to you. Thank you so much.